Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to automatically go to speaker mode in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. So make sure your software update is latest iOS to 6.01. So if it latest, go back to home screen. So click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down, click on touch. Now here scroll down, so click on call audio. Now here make sure click on automatic. After click on automatic, go back to home screen and refresh phone. You will check your call is automatically on speaker mode. So if it not, so click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings. Enter phone passcode and click on reset all settings. It's just reset all settings. It's not remove and clean your phone memory and data. So after that restarting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can go to speaker mode automatically in iPhone 17 Air Pro. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.